Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Alicia's Kitchen. Now in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made my one pan shrimp and sausage rice skillet. If you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please go ahead and do so. Also to turn on your post notifications so you can get notified when I post new videos. Now, let us cook. So guys, here I have all my ingredients. I have my shrimp here, and here I have two different shrimp. I also have my Italian sausages sliced and ready to go. I also have some long grain rice, and this is a cup and a half of long grain rice, guys. For my season, I have Cajun season, garlic powder, oregano, paprika, onion powder, and Italian season. I also have butter, celery, and those are chopped fine. I also have some canola oil. On the cutting board we have pepper, orange, green pepper, and red onions. Now I'm just incorporating all the season just to season my shrimp, guys. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding half of that canola oil to my shrimp. I'm also gonna be using half of that season because I do want the other half to season my rice. Now in a skillet on medium heat, you just want to add your shrimp, and I'm going to be cooking my shrimp for about a minute and a half on each side until they are golden. So now I'm removing my shrimp from that skillet, and you want to ensure that your shrimp isn't overcooked, guys, because if it is, it's just going to be tough and rubbery. Okay, so I'm going to be adding my sausage to that skillet and cook them for about 3 minutes on each side. Now you want to remove your sausage and set those aside. Now it's time to saute our vegetables. Now guys, I'm adding the butter to that same skillet and I'm gonna allow this to melt. Then I'm gonna be sauteing my vegetables. So now guys, you want to saute your vegetables until they are fragrant and softened. Now guys, I'm gonna be adding my tomato paste. You guys can also use chopped tomatoes or even use a tomato paste or both. Yeah, you can use both. I just didn't have the chopped tomatoes or anything. Or if you have marinara, you guys can go ahead and use marinara as well. Now guys, we're gonna add that rice to the skillet and we're just gonna toast the rice on low medium heat for about 3 minutes. Yeah. Now guys, I'm gonna be using 3 cups of chicken broth. You guys can go ahead and use vegetable broth. I didn't have vegetable broth, so I'm using chicken broth. It came out amazing. Okay, it was so good. And guys, you guys can go ahead and taste in between just to see if it's to your liking. Now I'm adding my sausages. I'm also gonna be adding a couple of the shrimps. Then you want to cover and allow it to cook for about 8 to 10 minutes on low heat, guys, until the rice is cooked through. So guys, this is what our rice is looking like after 10 minutes. I'm gonna give that a quick stir. Then I'm gonna add my shrimp to the top and allow it to steam for an additional 5 minutes. Just so good, guys. I'm also gonna garnish that with some lemon slices, and look at that. Whoa. And here we are, guys. This is a final product. I do hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you did. Remember to like, comment, share, and most importantly, guys, please subscribe. I love you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Guys, remember to follow me on Instagram at Alicia's_kitchen. Bye.